Today, we're going to be looking at this Echo weed trimmer that I got off Marketplace for $20. So let's get into the video. This is an Echo GT-160AE weed trimmer. It's an older model. I got this off Marketplace for $20. It's a pretty good deal, and all it needed was a pull core repair as well as a carburetor adjustment. The pull cord had been ripped off, so all I did was snip off the bad part and re-tie it back on, so I'm still using the original pull cord this machine came with. After repairing the pull cord, I realized it didn't quite run right, so I did tune it up by adjusting the carburetor, and now it runs just fine. I'm a big fan of Echo weed trimmers. This was a fun and easy fix. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.